Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand the today contest problem in the daily series is maximum fruits harvested after at most k steps. So this question is very important. So I'll suggest please pause this video, go through the statement so you can understand clearly. Okay, so let me read for you. What the question is saying that? Question saying that fruits are available at some position on infinite x-axis. Okay, so there is a x-axis which is infinite, and at some position, right, fruits are there, it's available there. So if you come little down, you can imagine like this. Let's suppose this is the x-axis we have given, and this is infinite x-axis. Okay, where you can see at certain positions, right, we can see the what you call strawberries are there. Other fruits can be also there, fruits can be anything, right? So just think that the fruits are available at some position on the infinite x-axis, and that we can see here. I think this line you have understood, right? Now further it is saying that you are given a 2D integer array that is called fruits, right? Means the fruits is having this type of value, right? What is we have? The fruits contains the 2D array, means 2 and 8, 6, 3. So each cell contains two value, right? A and B, we can say the pair of A and B. Okay, so what is saying that this pair is nothing but position and amount, right? So the amount, the depict the amount, right? This one is what for the fruit. So at a position, let's suppose for this we have what amount? Amount is this. Okay, so the fruits is already sorted by the position in ascending order, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, because based on the ascending order, the fruits is already sorted based on the position, right? And each position is unique. That is done. Now think that you are given an integer that is called start pos, a start position we can say, an integer k. Means let's suppose you are having a start pos. So in this example, as you can see, what we have given, we have given a start, let's suppose is 5, right? So we have given a start 5, and this man has standing here, and it is its starting position, right? Another value we have given is k, right? We understand that we have given the fruits start position. Now the third variable we have given is a k equal to 4. Now it is saying that an integer k, what is about? So initially you are at a position, start position. Let's suppose you are initially you are at a position of 5, right? We can say as you can see here, from any position you can either walk to left or right. Either you can go the left side or right side. So if you take any step, let's suppose for one step means you want to go for one step means 1 unit, means 5 to 6. So it will take 1 unit. Okay, so it takes one step to move 1 unit on the x-axis. Either you're moving left or right, any of the direction, right? So you can walk at most k steps in total. Okay, so you can maximum you can move is at most what k steps you can go. So let's suppose we have given 4, means this person can go either left or right. In the maximum 4 step he can go, right? Let's suppose he doesn't have energy much to walk further. Okay, for every position you reach, you harvest all the fruits at that position. Okay, means whenever you reach at a certain position, let's suppose we call 6, 8 and 2, any of the position you are reaching, if the constraint k is more, right, so we can go there, we can get it. So we can gather all these fruits, right? That is called harvesting. Harvesting means what? If the plant is already having the fruit, we can harvest, we can pluck the what fruit, and we can keep it in our basket. So we will harvest it and we'll put if that position contains the fruits. I hope you understand. The fruit will disappear from the position, right? Because we have harvested it, means we have plugged it, right? Once you harvest it, it will be in your basket. Okay, now it is saying that return the maximum total number of fruits that you can harvest. So you have to get from the you can have the count how many total number of fruits you are harvesting at this time. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the statement that we have given here. But if you're not, don't worry. Just think that you just try to relate this question is that you are standing at a certain position that is called start position, right? As this person is standing at position is 5, right? On the x-axis, right? So some positions have fruits, like we have 2 at 6 and at 8, right? We have these fruits we have given. Okay, so if some positions have fruits means you can take at most how many steps, k steps you can take, right? Either you will go the left side or you go with right side, but at every position, right, you land on right at certain positions, right, and you can collect all the fruits if fruits are there, right? Then if you plug all the fruits, you will keep somewhere, so you can have to count all those fruits, and then you have to say that that's my maximum fruits I have. Means what's the maximum fruit you have, that you have collected in how many steps, in k steps or fewer steps, you can say that. Okay, so let's suppose these fruits we have given here. So this was a starting position, you took a 4 step, right, and you got the what, these values. Let's suppose he is moving in this direction, so he first reached to the 6. What he got, 3 strawberry he collected. Then he reached to 8, he collected 6 strawberries. So once he started from 5th to 6th, he having how many left steps? 4 minus 1 is 3. Now when he go to 6 to 7, how many left? 3 minus 1 is 2. Then he reached to what, 8, right? Means 2 minus 1 left is 1. After, if he will go further or anywhere, right, he can go, but he is not seeing any further what he call the fruits. So we'll say it's fine, don't go much, it's fine. Okay, you can go k steps also or less than k. I hope you understand, right? The fruits are given in the array of a position. This is your position, right, at each position, and this is your amount. Okay, means how many fruits are there, that is the amount of the fruit, number of fruits. So at this position, how many fruits are there, that is the number of fruits, you can say. So it is little diverting you that this is amount. No, this is not amount, this is number of fruits. I hope you understand, right? So the if the array is sorted, right, you can get it easily. Okay, I hope you understand, right, guys? Let's try to understand how we are going to implement it, right? Before that, we will understand how the intuition works. So how do you think that this question you are going to solve it, right? Either we can go where, in the left side, or we can go in the right side. So each time we have to calculate if the fruit range is what, reachable, right, should be less than is equal to what in the k steps. Can we say that? So this optimal strategy is to try all the ranges. We'll try this range, right, this side, this side, this side, all the side. We'll go either left or right. We'll try to um, uh, find in all the ranges, we can say, right? So once we will pick the one, the highest fruit count that fits within the steps, right, that we will say okay. See, in this case, let's suppose we have this person. If he go to the left side, right, how many fruits he will get? 8. But if he go in the right side, he will get 9 fruits. So he should go in which direction? He should go in the right direction, right? It means you have to take what, you have to uh, try all the ranges. Either he will go to 5 to 9, or he can go 5 to 0, right? It's his choices. Okay, he has to pick the highest fruit count, and that will be his job to do that. So if we will use, if you're aware with the sliding window approach, what we can do, we can take the window of 4, right, from here to here, right, and we'll keep iterating over what, from the start position, either left side or either in the right side, right? So that is why we'll take the sliding window, right, and it will be efficient and elegant approach, because just we need to shift the window from here to here to here to here. right? Means two windows are possible for this, or maybe if you are k, the maximum possibility is also there, right? You can move in any of the direction, in the left or right. What we will use, we'll use two pointers, first the left and right for the sliding window, right? And we'll add fruits as the window expands. If the window can't reach from the start position, means if we'll, let's suppose if k is equal to 4, right, but he is not able to reach to the start from the start position. If the window can't be reached from the start position within the k, we have to shrink it, right? So we can do that from which side? From the left side. We'll have to shrink it, okay? And we'll keep track of the maximum fruit across all the valid windows. Let me go through the, give me pen. So let's understand through the example, right? So very first, if let's suppose we have given the fruits, we have given a start position, we have given k, we have given, right? So if you take the left, right, and right, you know the sliding window, right? So for the window, there should be a left index and the right index, right? What I'm trying to say, let's suppose we have a array, okay? So on this array, we have couple of elements we have, okay, for this. So if the sliding window means, let's suppose we want to the window size of 2. So how the sliding window works? So it will start from here to here, let's suppose. So this is the first window, this is your left and this is your right, okay? Once we want to slide this window from, once this is done, we will check the condition, we'll move further, right, from here. Now your left is at here and right is at here, right? We'll keep moving until we'll reach to the last. Once we left and right reach the last, means you have tried all the windows, okay? So this is the basic concept of the sliding window approach, okay? Now what we have given, think we have given fruits, we have given start position, we have given, and k we have given, right? And what we need to do, we have to define very first, we have to initialize the start and end, right? Means start is at left and right is at 0, okay? You can say start and end, or left or right also, okay? Means window left and window right, window start, window end, we can say that, okay? Then these are the prerequisites that we know. We have the fruit size, we have number of fruits we have, and max fruits, okay? So once you max fruit is calculated in this while loop, you just need to return what? The max fruit we have to return, okay? And how we can see that? So very first, if you provide the left and right, right, so we have to check, is this window that we are providing, right, is this window left and right is reachable or not, right? Because you have to check the condition of k. So if k is given 4, if you are not able to reach the window size, right, means that is not worth, because from the start itself you have to go. So this is your condition, okay? Means you have to also see that, okay, the person is at here, the person is at here, okay, fine, no problem, but can he reach to this direction or this direction? Is he have enough k? If he has enough k, that is why we have to check is reachable. We pass left index, right index, start, and k. For each window, we have to check the condition. It should be return reachable or not. If it is not reachable, right, it's not worth to. If it is not reachable, we don't need to go there and waste our energy. Okay, that we have to understand. Okay, so this is the skeleton of the problem, right? You can say approach. Just pause this video and I'll suggest try by yourself. Are you able to solve it or not? So this will give you a boost in your writing the code. Okay, so let's understand further. Okay, so very first, what you need to do, think. Once you have the thing right, you need to check the right condition should be always less than n, means it should be less than n, it should not increase the window size, right? Now because see, we have taken the this year with length of the fruits, this is the fruits is nothing but what? The 2D array that contains the all the details, right? Till that we will go, will not go, because that is the our you can say boundaries, right? Now you will get the position first at 0, and you will do what? You will keep adding the current sum. How? Just you will get the number of count from the number of fruits, right? You will get from here. Okay, so you keep adding into the current sum. right? Then what you will do, you have to check the condition. If is left is less than equal to right, okay, is it reachable, you will pass the value. If it is reachable, we'll update. Means if it is not reachable, we'll do what, we'll do minus in the current sum, and we'll increase the left plus plus. Okay, because if we are increasing the left, it means what, we are moving ahead. Give me 1 second. So let's suppose if we have the, why we are doing this thing, right? If it is not reachable, okay, so let's suppose the array we have given, okay, at certain position we have 8 fruits, right? 9 fruit, 10 fruit, like that we have given, okay, and some indexes we have given. For example, if the current window is 2, okay, from here to here, so starting window was from here to here, obviously it we have checked. So if let's suppose this is saying the start is at certain position, okay, so let's suppose this is your start, you have start at here, okay, and there are more values are there, just for understanding, okay. So if this start and k is saying maximum 2, so he can go from he, if he is at that position, he can go here, he can go here. But let's suppose if we have this value, and that is, let's suppose is a 3 or something we have here, okay, so it is not reachable here, right? In this condition, what we need to do was just we need to do left plus plus, means left will come from here to here, we'll increase it, and then we'll make our what, this window, because this is not reachable. If it is not reachable, means left will start from here, but it will come what, left plus plus, so it will come to the left plus plus. So he can make the form, right? But if there's some value will be there, means how many fruits are there, 3 fruits are there, we'll do the minus from the current sum, because we have already added the, maybe the this value. If you already added, because we are checking the positions, so once you have added it, you just reduce it, and once you reduce it, that's done, our job is done, right? We will calculate the next from, because we have to calculate from the windows only, right? So if these windows works fine, means he will get these fruits, this fruit, then this fruit and this fruit, right? So total fruit he will add it into the current sum, okay. And then once this loop is done, it is reachable or not reachable, this job is done, it is not reachable, right, we'll do minus. If it is reachable, we'll follow further, right? How we are going to check? If it is reachable, right, we'll just continue, what, max fruit will find it and will get the value, okay. So we have to update the max fruit each time, and you will get the max fruit, and further you will increase the right plus plus, okay. And that is our job will done. Means very first, let's suppose the start, very first window was, let's suppose from here to here, okay, from here to this is start, so here to here he has taken the window, okay. Then he can reduce the left, because left plus plus, so we can say, okay, left plus plus, just do minus minus. So now the next window is here, now the next window is here, like that it will keep checking the window, okay. So if it is not reachable, we will do minus, just a simple answer, okay. If it is not reachable, right, we will do what, minus. And if it is reachable, we'll update our right plus plus, okay, and we'll continue getting the value, right? Both initially will take the start and end, right, but we have to check the positions also, it is reachable or not reachable, okay. So because we are starting now, understand here, that is our job, right? But in this case, what we are doing, if you see here, left and right both we are adding, we are starting from 0, means our index will start from 0. Give me 1 second. So what we have taken, left and right we have taken as 0, correct? If it is at 0, give me 1 second. So if it as 0, it means what, we have an array, let's suppose, and at wherever it is, we have just forget the start and k for now, right? Both we will start the window from here, right? So left is at here and right is also here, okay. But we have to increase left and right, so very first we'll get the position, right? So we have this position, then we will get the current sum, so we'll, whatever the value, let's suppose value we have 2, so current sum will get added 2. Okay, so this is your current window, means only one element in the window. Now we have to increase the window. So we have to check, is it reachable or not? So for the reachable, we'll pass what? Left at 0. What we have left at 0, that we will pass. Then post will be position, will pass, and start position and k. Based on that, these things we will pass and we'll check, is it reachable. Let's suppose it is not reachable. Means what? We have to increase our left this side. We are at here. Let's suppose it is reachable, right? It is not reachable, it is not reachable, it is reachable. It means we'll keep it here, but right we will have to increase where? In this direction, right? So right will become from here to here. So next window will become how? Next window will start from here to here, right? So if it is reachable, the window will keep increasing, the window will keep increasing, the window will keep increasing. Okay, just you need to pass. Similarly, for the let's suppose the position is certain position. So very first window was here, right? From here to here, the window will from left to right, left to right, left to right, right? It will keep moving the window size, either left or right, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for that there will be a single what you call, give me a second. So just think that our window will start from where? At here, right? And it will keep moving ahead. If it is not reachable, in that case only we will remove our left from here, right? And we'll say this is our left, right? And right will keep moving ahead, because each time right we have to move, right? At each direction. Continuously this window, it will keep moving. So just check, if it is not reachable, means left we have to increase. I hope you understand, right? And then once you have got your left and right, you just need to do what? You have to return, you have to get the max fruit, you have to update about, you have to track the max fruit using the math.max, and you are doing the right plus plus as I told you, and then you will return the max fruit. So this is your helper function that will give you the left and right, and you have to check if it is less than equal to k. If it is the minimum is less than equal to k, whatever that we have, either you are going to the left side or right side. If it is less than, right, it means what? We will be reachable. So you use this formula and to just check the reachable. I hope you will like this video. Let me know in the comment section that you understood the problem, and I'll suggest, please write time complexity and space complexity in the in the comment below. So I'll give the heart in your comment, and I will make a ping, so people can understand that this is the right uh, time complexity, space complexity. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one, but before that I'll suggest, please like this video if you like, right? And we have created a set of courses, you can enroll one of them if you like, right? And you should have a premium videos, as well as premium PDF, and as well as what you call, the courses, mentorship. You can get it from me. Okay, so get in touch if you like to do study. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.